I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon in the upper 50s to the mid 60s, highs are boosted back into the low to mid 70s tomorrow and Thursday by a warm front. Tomorrow, very nice with light winds. Fire concerns increase on Thursday when south winds gust up to 30. And strong low pressure tracks across the plains. Precipitation chances increasing for Friday, lingering through early Saturday. The highest chances Friday afternoon through Friday night. Rain Friday afternoon switches over to snow or snow rain mix for Friday night. Rain amounts look to be light, and some areas could end up in the dry slot. Snow accumulations could reach an inch along the north of I-80, possibly up to 2 inches to the north of Highway 92. Travel could be briefly difficult with a quick hit of snow, and northwest winds gusting as high as 50 on Friday night. Highs in the 60s to the low 70s Friday, drop mostly to the 50s over the weekend before a rebound into the upper 60s to the mid 70s on Monday. Checking our long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures Sunday through March 24th likely to be mostly seasonal to slightly warmer than normal. By March 24th in central Nebraska, daytime highs are usually in the mid-50s and overnight lows on average in the mid-20s. Near normal to slightly above normal precipitation is indicated for Nebraska and Kansas Sunday through March 24th. Key weather factors the markets are watching include a big spring storm for the U.S., favorable and unfavorable conditions across South America, and dry conditions as wheat comes out of dormancy in the Black Sea region. A storm approaching Southern California has a limited impact on U.S. weather, with any precipitation mostly light and across the deep south, reaching the southern Atlantic coast by late Thursday. The trailing storm is the one to watch. Widespread rain and snow falls across the west, followed by a variety of late-week hazards as that storm tracks from the Central Plains into the upper Great Lakes. Wind-driven snow affects portions of the northern plains and upper Midwest, while rain and thunderstorms sweep across the southeast U.S. starting late Friday, lasting into Sunday. Rainfall could reach 1 to 3 inches or more in the southeast, while high winds across the south central U.S. result in a much higher fire threat and could cause blowing dust. This weekend, additional precipitation overspreads the western U.S. That storm likely moves through the U.S. the early to middle of next week, possibly in a couple of pieces. Temperatures drop across the U.S. after the storm this late week, but a bigger push of cooler air may wait until later next week. In Brazil, rain is moving through dry areas of the east central Rio Grande do Sul. A big producer of full-season corn and soybeans, though, is seeing poor conditions for crops in the filling stage. West central Brazil continues with scattered rain and mostly good conditions. Northern Argentina, with dropping soil moisture, only saw limited rain after it moved up from the central and south. Overall dry conditions expected for Argentina through this next week. Across the Black Sea region, wheat is greening up, but with poor conditions from limited soil moisture. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.